Hello students, welcome to the class. Like in last class what we have discussed about the evolution of transport. Okay, how slowly gradually transport improved. In this class what we are going to learn is the evolution of communication. Okay, evolution of communication. Evolution of communication. So before that just let me share with you what is communication. Communication means the exchange of feeling and thoughts. Is that clear? Communication means the exchange of feeling and thoughts. Okay, now we will come to know about the communication. Okay, evolution of communication. So firstly, when human beings started to live and they were using just signs, okay, for communicating each other. Okay, after that the writing statement they used to write as a pictures, pictorial writing they were doing. Suppose if they want to give some message, okay, they were drawing the pictures and sending the message that are found from the ancient caves, different pictures. Okay, now after when the farming has started, okay, after Iron Age, during Iron Age when the farming was started permanently, that time they developed their different languages. This is tribal languages. Okay, they developed their languages and they developed their own alphabets. Okay, how to write their own languages in a script. Okay, manuscript. So after that that was the series of development of the communication. Okay, now more and more the distant communication, that means people who are staying far away from each other, how they were communicating with each other. Like today, if you want to communicate with anyone who is staying very far, like suppose if I am in India, I want to communicate a person from America, so I can directly call. Okay, I can directly take my phone, I can use internet, I can communicate with him through WhatsApp, through emails or through direct calls. But previously it was not there. Okay, when these things were not invented, that time pigeons were used. During the Mughal eras, pigeons were used to deliver letters. Okay, before pigeons the running mans were used to deliver letters, and after pigeons were used, slowly during the 14th century printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Okay, he is established in 14th century the first printing press. After that there was the system of mass communication was started. Okay, communicating with a number of people. Then after that in 1837 telegraph was invented by F.B. Morse. Okay, that was the instant sharing of messages, short messages. Okay, telegraph was invented. Then in 1876 Alexander Graham Bell, you have heard this name, he invented telephone. And today what mobile phone we are using is the just modernization or modification of that telephone. Okay, slowly computer and internet came into the world, and we are now very much we are surrounded with sophisticated accessories like mobiles, computers. Okay, with the help of internet we can communicate throughout the world. After that satellites were invented. Okay, satellites were invented on the 4th October 1957. The first satellite Sputnik was launched. After that many satellites, like you have heard INSAT, Apples, okay, many satellites were launched on the space in the space, and now to gather the information related to the earth and space. So that is how the evolution of communication took place. So how pigeons to printing press to telegraph, then telephone, then computers, then satellites. Is that clear, students? So that's all for today's class. Thank you very much.